everybody, it's Chainsaw Reacts, and today guys I'm trying another laugh challenge, except this is a little bit different. This one was created by my good buddy VinnieVegas. Yeah, that guy. So anyways, this video is called Make Chainsaw Reacts Laugh Challenge. So let's see if it makes me laugh. Let's jump into it now. Okay. Oh. Okay. Again. Jesus. What the fuck?
Linda Carson, ABC7. Would you not eat my pants?
Oh.
Why, I give my kids pretty buds.
Oh my god. I lost. I lost. Damn it. Oh my god. Oh.
What's that button do? I'll show you.
What the fuck?
Oh. Okay.
Dead.
Oh yeah.
What is that?
Ow.
Oh.
Oh
Dear.
Huh. He just filled this thing with his laugh. Yep. Okay. So, interestingly enough, the most stupidest crap in the world can make me laugh. Vinny, you made me lose. Finally. Everyone hated my freaking other Try Not to Laugh challenge because I actually passed it. I didn't laugh once. And everyone's like, oh my god, you need to laugh. You have no sense of humor. As you can see, I do. The stupidest crap does. And his laugh, the I can't do it. I'm not that good at it. But he beat me. I lost. Now he's going to hold it over my head forever. You know, he's like, but see, I made you laugh. I'm like, so it is what it is. I know. It's probably some of the weirdest stuff you've ever seen on screen. I've seen some of that stuff. Some of that stuff I've not seen, but, you know, it got me. Man, that stupid woman. Whatever. Anyways, so that was my Make Chainsaw Reacts Laugh Challenge, and I failed, as you can already tell. So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think of the Chainsaw Reacts Laugh Challenge? Do you think that I failed horribly at a bad section? Do you think I should have laughed at something else? I don't know what to say. I don't do these type of videos. I don't. So, anyways, I'm done rambling. I'm done talking. I lost. That's the end of it. I lost. Done. Peace out, everybody.